Hey, good morning, eighth graders. Another week, so that means another video that introduces our checklist. So here we go. I'm going to go to our checklist for the week. Here, let us begin with that. So, first of all, today, we are going to today be looking at your Africa Test Study Guide, or you'll be working on your Asia map just to give you a heads up. All right. You will submit your family newsletter by 11:59 tonight. We are going to, on Friday, have your Africa test. So the Africa test will take place. It will be on Schoology. And today is the only day that your test is going to be open. Since we're out of the hybrid system and everybody's here or on Zoom 4 days a week, it's going to be today. Monday, we're going to start looking at child labor. All right, so we're going to do some notes. You'll notice in this folder, there's a child labor folder. All right, you will use the notes, upload the note sheet into Notability. There's a presentation. There's also a video you're going to watch. Tuesday is MCA day. All right, so Tuesday is are the MCAs, I should say, and so you will be watching and doing a primary story on that. And then Wednesday will be your catch-up day. Next week on Friday, if I could go down here on the 7th, will be your map quiz. A wonderful week, eighth graders.